Today we're going to review V-Vaxy Car Scratch Repair Wax. This product has been making waves online, but is it worth your hard-earned money or is it just another scam? Disclaimer: the following analysis is based on extensive research and personal opinions. Always do your due diligence before purchasing any product. V-Vaxy claims to be an easy solution for removing light scratches and restoring the shine of your car's paint. Advertised as a quick fix wax, it promises to enhance the appearance of your vehicle with minimal effort. But does it deliver on these promises? A significant red flag for V-Vaxy is its rating on Amazon, where it holds a disappointing score of 1.8 out of 5 stars. Many users have expressed dissatisfaction, stating that it doesn't effectively remove scratches or restore paint as claimed. For instance, one review mentioned that it was no better than car polish and failed to achieve the desired results. On platforms like Scam Advisor and Scam Detector, V-Vaxy also raises concerns while specific ratings were not found. The general sentiment surrounding products like this often leans towards skepticism. Users have reported that instead of improving their car's appearance, some have experienced additional fine scratches after application. Here's a quick breakdown of the pros and cons based on user feedback. The pros are easy application. Users appreciate that it's straightforward to use, just apply and buff. Affordable alternative. It's cheaper than professional scratch removal services. While the cons are limited effectiveness, which means many users claim it only masks superficial scratches rather than removing them. Second is the potential for damage, which means reports indicate that it may leave behind more scratches or fail to improve deeper marks. And lastly, as for the mixed reviews as a con, positive reviews are sparse and often lack detail, raising questions about their authenticity. Now, from my perspective, while V-Vaxing might seem appealing for minor touch-ups, the overwhelming negative feedback suggests that it may not be a reliable solution. If you're looking for something that generally repairs scratches rather than just concealing them temporarily, I would recommend exploring other options or consulting a professional. In conclusion, I would advise caution when considering V-Vaxy Car Scratch Repair Wax. The low ratings and troubling user experiences indicate that this product may not live up to its claims. If you're dealing with significant scratches or damage, investing in professional services or more reputable products would likely yield better results. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this review helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more insights on automated products. Have you tried V-Vaxy? Share your experience in the comments below. Stay safe and see you next time.